I saw another man die the other day. It was the third one that year. Natural causes, they said, but he was overworked, I fear. The man worked 80 hours a week the last 3 years of his life. I wonder what that boss man would say to his little children and his wife. But that same day he come into the shop and he said, "Sorry boys, need 8 more hours tonight." Oh man, oh man, oh man. And it told us that there wasn't any choice about it. And that was no big surprise. It was the same thing yesterday, yeah. And he said that it'll be that way tomorrow. Oh man. I don't think we can let that happen. What do you think? I think it's time we had ourselves a strike, yeah. Woo! So come on, brothers and sisters who care, and raise your clenched fist in the air. Do it for yourselves and do it for your children, and do it for the workers everywhere. Come on, raise that clenched fist in the air. Come on now. 12 hours busting your ass. Bitter cold or blistering heat. Breathing soot and poison gas. Covered in grease and ground in dirt. Smashed fingers and burning flesh are all part of the daily routine. The boss man's got no heart, I guess, or he's just plain stupid and he's mean. After all that, he comes into the shop and says, "Need 4 more hours tonight, so don't make no plans." Oh man, oh man. And he tells us that there isn't any choice about it, and that ain't no big surprise. It was the same thing yesterday, yeah. And he says that it'll be that way tomorrow. Oh man. I don't think we can let that happen. What do you think? I think it's time we had ourselves a strike, yeah. Oh! So come on, all brothers and sisters who care, and raise your clenched fist in the air. Do it for yourselves and do it for your children, and do it for the workers everywhere. Come on, raise that clenched fist in years, we gave and gave. For years and years, they took and took. Breaking records day after day for a bunch of liars and crooks. Negotiations were a joke. Their final offer, a slap in our face. They said if we struck, we'd be replaced. So we replied as we went out that door, sorry management, but it looks like we're going to have ourselves a strike. So don't make no plans. And we told them that there wasn't any choice about it. So don't act so surprised. We do it for all those yesterdays, yeah. We do it for all those tomorrows. That's right. Looks like we're gonna have ourselves a strike, yeah. Oh. So come on, our brothers and sisters who care, and raise that clenched fist in the air. Come on then. Do it for yourselves and do it for your children, and do it for the workers everywhere. Come on, raise that clenched fist in the air. Come on now. We have the freedom to bear arms and the freedom to sing our songs. We have the freedom to have our say and the freedom to worship God in our own way. Lydia Teal said in the man, then things got way out of hand. Tear gas and brutality against unarmed passivity. Seen it with my own eyes. We have the freedom to bear arms and the freedom to sing our songs. We have the freedom to have our say and the freedom to worship God in our own way. Now it wasn't long ago I was in our capital. DC is very interesting. No U.S. citizens are working. And thousands of homeless vets sleep on coal cement outside the home of our United States President. That's right. What's that about anyway? We have the freedom to bear arms and the freedom to sing our songs. We have the freedom to have our say and the freedom to worship God in our own way. Now China is pulling strings, missiles, money and other things. Their idea of fair is things like Tiananmen Square. Tear gas and machine guns rolled that day. Is that the new American way? Tell me, is that the new American way? We have the freedom to bear arms and the freedom to sing our songs. We have the freedom to have our say and the freedom to worship God in our own way.
What do we want?
Justice!
When do we want it?
Now!
What do we want?
Justice!
When do we want it?
Now!
We are the Union.
We are the Union!
The mighty, mighty Union.
The mighty, mighty Union!
Everywhere we go,
Everywhere we go,
the people want to know
people want to know
who we are.
who we are.
So we tell them
So we tell them
we are the Union.
we are the Union!
The mighty, mighty Union.
Mighty, mighty Union!
Yeah, the mighty, mighty Union.
Mighty, mighty Union!
Say yeah, 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 yeah. This union is here to stay.
This union is here to stay.
It ain't never going away. Hey, hey, Pueblo!
Hey, hey, Pueblo!
We just want you to know
We just want you to know
that when it's time to get down, this is still a union town.
this is still a Union town.
Say yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, yeah, Union States.
This is still a Union State.
Say yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, USA!
hey, hey, USA.
We just want to say
We just want to say,
there ain't no debates.
ain't no debate.
This is still the United States.
This is still the United States.
United States.
United States.
Say yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Hi! What in the heck is this?
This is a solar-powered tricycle.
Wow, did you build that?
I did.
You are fantastic.
Well, thank
so you
you.
don't need gas, nothing.
Nope, I don't even have to pedal if I don't want to.
Wow.
Most of the time. If I get on a big hill, I gotta pedal my butt off.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
but most of the time, no problems.
You are wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm real proud of it.
Yeah, you
It's pretty
should be.
okay.
This is so great.
Well, thank you. That's
Okay.
pretty nice to hear. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.